welcome to another studio vlog. I am Nikki Jackson, and if you're new here, welcome. It is a boiling hot day here in the UK, so apologies that I don't look my best. Nearly knocked the paintbrush off. So my channel is basically a art and illustration channel. I share everything from behind the scenes stuff to drawing, painting, digital illustration, new things that I've got for my business, all those kinds of things related to running an art small business. So welcome if you're new, and if you're a returning visitor, thanks for coming back again. It's been a little while since I've done a video. You've probably been wondering where I've been. I have been working on some degree deadlines and just submitted a bunch of work a couple of weeks ago, so it was really good to get that in, and we were doing lots of narrative based illustrations. If you don't know, I'm doing a distance learning part-time degree in illustration, and I'm in my second level, so yeah, there's plenty of work to do. So I'm juggling that with my small business, and yeah, sometimes it gets quite tough. So yeah, I try to talk about it as much as I can on these vlogs and also on my Patreon. I have a podcast called the Tea Time Podcast, and I share more in depth about things that I am dealing with during the degree and my business and new things that I'm working on. But I also try and cover some of that here in the studio vlogs. So yeah, so I have been working on that. We've been doing narrative illustration, working on comics and images for books and things like that, which has been really fun. I think it's my most favourite part of the degree so far. And yeah, I'm now on a new part doing street art and pixel art and ceramics. It's a whole bunch of different things we're working on this time. And yeah, so it's really varied. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing where that goes. But I've also been taking time to invest in the next stage of my business. So I have been investing in new cards. I am now outsourcing my card designs just to free up some time, so I've got more time to draw and do uni work. And I just literally a couple of days ago got a new sticker storage system, because I didn't actually have anything really before, because I plan to increase the number of designs that I have for my die cut stickers. I will show you my latest one, which is this lovely sunflower design. And I have 3 designs so far, and 2 of them are almost sold out. And I have some clear stickers being made at the moment, which is very exciting. I've not made clear stickers before. So I'll look forward to sharing those with you. I also have some other new products that I have just got in for the shop update, and I will show you them in the vlog next time. But yeah, I'm waiting for things to come in. I'm sorting out proofs with manufacturers and things like that. So my little business is growing up a bit, and I'm starting to get more outsourced products in, which is really helpful for me to have more time to draw, paint and do uni work. So that's super exciting. And this month has also been a very exciting month, because thank you guys, you've helped me to reach 800 followers on Instagram. I am so grateful. It's taken me a long time to get to this point, and I really wanted to celebrate. So I have created my first Draw This in Your Style challenge, and because we had the Queen's Platinum Jubilee here in the UK earlier in the month, I decided to draw a very cute little corgi and make that my Draw This in Your Style challenge. So here she is. Doesn't she look cute? I would absolutely love it if you would enter and show me your style and draw this cute corgi in your own way, and I will share as many of them as I can. So my hashtag for this is Niki Illustrates 800, so that's 800. And yeah, I hope you join in and come check out the entries so far. I am Niki Illustrates on Instagram, and yeah, it's a fun little challenge, and I hope you can join us. And an update on my new studio. So if you don't know, I currently have a studio in my home, a little bedroom. I used to have a studio outside the home, and it was a bit far for me to get to, and I just didn't really enjoy the environment being around other people, and it wasn't very inspiring for me as an artist, I need to be near nature, and it was on like a industrial estate kind of area. It just wasn't the right fit for me, so I decided to move back home, and we've been talking about it for a long time, many years, and finally we are converting our garage, well, half the garage, into a new studio for me. And I have started recording the process of it, and so far we have got in the fire door, which will divide the garage up, and a few other bits and bobs, put up a wall, and yeah, and I can now reveal the next stage is going to be happening, and that is the windows and doors are going to go in. So this is super exciting for me because this will make it really feel like a new studio is coming. So the other stage is kind of it did feel like more real, but now definitely with windows going in, it's going to be in about 3 weeks time. They're going to be going in, and it's going to be amazing. So I've been working on getting my garden prettier as well. You've probably seen, if you follow me on Instagram, Niki Illustrates, that I have been growing things and I've been adding more flowers to the garden. It's my goal to make it super pretty, so that well, it'll probably be by next summer now, because by the time the studio is finished, it will be probably autumn, winter time, and everything will have died back. But my intention is to make it really beautiful for next year, so that when I'm in my studio, I'm overlooking the garden, and it'll be super inspiring. I'll be able to see the birds and all the flowers. It's just going to be gorgeous. So I've been working on that. And yeah, so in a few weeks time the windows and doors will go in, and I'm really excited. So I've been planning things that I'm going to put in there, and looking at what furniture I'm going to put in there. Probably be mostly the things that I've got already, but I will make a few changes because I'll have a slightly bigger space, and I'll be able to arrange things a bit better. So that's super exciting. And yeah, I'm definitely going to share the process with you. So once the windows and doors are actually in, I will show you guys. I'm going to do like a montage of like the before and after as well. I'll do that as a separate video when everything's finished. I'll keep like filming all the stages, but yeah, it's really happening now, and I'm hopeful that by kind of November time we might be finished. So that'd be really cool. I can't wait to get in there and start using the space. It would be amazing. So I'm hoping to get a lovely sofa to go in there, so I'll have somewhere to sit and draw and just relax as well. It's going to be a really lovely space, and I'm very excited to share that with you guys. So what have I been up to in art business other than working on the degree and working on the manufactured products? I have been drawing some new things. I have been drawing some stuff for Patreon because I released my new Happy Mail tiers in May. So I have a sticker club and a postcard and sticker club now. And if you just want those rewards and you don't want anything else, sorry, Sky's barking. If you just want the Happy Mail, you can sign up on my website now and just get that for a cheaper price if you're not interested in like the podcasts and stuff. But yeah, so I'm doing a new design every month that you can get posted out to you, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. It's really fun creating these new designs, and I'm currently waiting for my manufacturer to send me the stickers for the last month and this month. There's been a bit of a delay because of proofing things, going back and forth and waiting on them, and so they should be done very soon, and they'll be going straight out to my lovely patrons. And yeah, I'm hoping to build my Patreon community. I have some really fun things going on over there, and I just invested in a new microphone, so I'll be able to do even better sound quality for the podcast. And that is one of my favourite things about my Patreon, is my podcast, where I share with you all the insider details of what's going on with uni and my business and what's coming up. So yeah, feel free to check that out. And yeah, so I have been doing a bit of painting, so I've been a bit stressed lately with so many things going on. I decided to get back to the easel and do some painting. I've got a couple of paintings that I started that I wanted to work on, and I think I'm kind of developing a new series, which is exciting. So yeah, I will insert the clips here for you to have a nice relaxing part of watching me paint, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed seeing me painting. Normally there is more stuff going on in a studio vlog, but it's been so long since I did one, and I really wanted to update you guys on all the exciting things that's going on over here. Even though I've been quiet on YouTube, I have been doing lots and lots of things, so it's really fun to share that with you guys now. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed the painting session, and the next vlog I will be updating you on the brand new products that are coming to the shop. I think I'm going to have a shop update in July, so watch out on Instagram for that, or you can sign up to my email list to be notified of when that's coming. Yeah, I'll show you all the new products. Hopefully they'll all be here by then, and I will give you the update on the windows for my new studio. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little catch-up vlog, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.